Hey guys! Today tip, I want to share some little tricks with you when it comes to buying and enjoying mangosteens. This season, we have an expensive and delicious fruit called mangosteen. It's known for its sweet taste, high nutritional value, and soft texture that most people love. However, considering the high price of mangosteens, it's important to learn a few tips to ensure you get the most out of your money. So let's get started. First we look at the fruit, specifically the part that connects the mangosteen branches. This area can be considered as the few leaves on the mangosteen. By examining this part, we can determine the freshness of the mangosteen. If the color appears bright and green, it indicates that the taste of the mangosteen will be good. So try to choose mangosteens with a greener fruit, as they tend to be fresher. On the other hand, if the fruit has started to wither or if there are signs of mildew, it means the mangosteen is already stale or preserved for too long. Avoid buying such mangosteens. Now let's talk about the color of the mangosteen. There are 3 groups of different shades of color you will find on the fruit stand. The color of the shell changes from green to red as the mangosteen ripens. Bright red indicates that the fruit is ripe and ready to eat. However, be cautious because the 3 bright red ones might not be sweet enough. Dark purple and dark brown mangosteens are the best choice as they offer sufficient sweetness. Lighter colors indicate fresher mangosteens. On the other hand, if you see mangosteens with a blue hue, it means they are not yet fully mature and will have less juice, and the taste is not very sweet. When you look at the bottom of the mangosteen, you will notice a protrusion resembling a petal. These are like little crowns, delicately embedded on the husk. By looking at the bottom half of the mangosteen, you can judge the number of petals inside. The more petals, the more pulp, it indicates. Remember the jargon centipede 6 acres. The number of ground lobes 5 and below represents the male mangosteens, while 6 tablets and above represent the mother mangosteens. So choose the mangosteen with the largest number of petals to get more pulp and smaller seeds. Now let's talk about the texture of the shell. A simple trick is to pinch the husk and press the mangosteen lightly with your thumb. If the shell is soft, elastic, and the place you press can be restored immediately, it means the mangosteen is fresh. However, if the shell is too hard and cannot be pressed, it indicates that the mangosteen is old or not fresh anymore. Similarly, if the shell is too soft, dark, or sunken, it might be soaked or rotten, and the pulp inside might not be edible. So it's recommended to buy mangosteens with soft and elastic shells. Lastly, shake the weight of the mangosteen same size mangosteen if all other conditions are met. We choose mangosteen that is a little heavy on the upside. This mangosteen has more moisture, the lightweight may be air-dried and not fresh, therefore the mangosteen of the same size should choose up, heavier one. In addition, the yellow spots on the surface of mangosteen are solidified and yellow. Pectin is normal, does not affect the pulp and taste inside, so don't be confused. When you see it, you can buy it with confidence. Mangosteen, a tropical fruit known for its exquisite taste and delicate texture. But enjoying this delicious fruit can sometimes be a challenge, as its thick outer skin can be difficult to peel off without causing a mess or damaging the fruit inside. Today, we'll show you the correct way to peel and enjoy a mangosteen without any fuss or waste. When packing 3 mangosteens together, it's important not to start from the sides. Instead, begin by focusing on the top area of the 3 groups. Apply a little pressure and push down gently on the top. This will cause the fruit part of the mangosteen to separate easily from the rest. Now, observe a small triangle that appears on the side. This indicates that the outer skin has been cracked. Next, gently push from the edge of the opening to remove the triangular piece of the skin. Once the triangle is removed, continue pushing the outer skin of the mangosteen towards the outside. And there you have it. By following this method, you'll be able to unveil the tender and juicy goodness of the mangosteen. Not only will your hands stay clean without any red stains, but you'll also preserve the integrity of the fruit's flesh. No accidental crushing or dangerous knife cuts. So, next time you find yourself face to face with a luscious mangosteen, remember our tips. Start from the top, remove the triangular section, push the skin outward, and enjoy the delectable fruit without any worries. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.